Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine. This is first class of our computer book, and today I will give you introduction about computer. First of all, I will tell you what this word computer means. Actually, computer is not a word, it is an abbreviation. Do you know what is abbreviation? Yes, abbreviation is that word whose each letter stands for different words. Like if we will take example here, this is COMPUTER, computer. So that means it's an abbreviation and its each letter stands for different words. Like commonly operating machine, particularly used for technical education and research. Yes, do you know, computer is that machine which we are using nowadays in each and every field of our life. So, first of all, what is computer? What is the definition of the computer and how we can define it? Yes, simply, it's the old and the common definition of the computer that this is an electronic device which is used for many purposes or which makes our work easy. This is not incorrect, but still, this definition is common and it's old one. Now we have many advanced definitions of the computer also. But still, I will first of all make you understand why this is common and old definition of the computer. Yes, do you know, we are using many machines at our home. For example, washing machine, refrigerator, iron, and many more machines. So those all machines, if I will tell you to define them, how you can define them? Yes, simply, refrigerator is an electronic device, iron is an electronic device, washing machine is an electronic device, all are electronic device because all works only because of electricity. Good. But saying this, कि computer is also an electronic device will not be accurate. Why? Because computer is a multi-purpose machine. Not only electronic, it is a multi-purpose machine. This multi-purpose means, multi means money and purpose means tasks. That means it's that machine which is used for or which can do many jobs for us, or we can say it can do many jobs at a time. Take the example of other machines at our home, like washing machine. What's the purpose of the washing machine? Yes, washing machine is only one purpose, and that's to wash clothes. And same, iron has only one purpose, and that's to iron clothes. Same in the case with different machines used in our house. But if we will take the example of the computer, why this computer is using almost everywhere? You have seen the computer in banks, computer in shops, even at home, in schools, in hospitals. So why this only machine is used everywhere? Because it can do many jobs and everywhere this is used for different purposes. So one more important versatility of the computer is that it can do many jobs at a time. While typing on the computer, you can listen music on the background, or while doing any other job on the computer, you can keep downloading your programs. Yes, so the advanced and the good definition of the computer is that computer is a multi-purpose machine which can do many jobs at a time. Yes, computer is a multi-purpose machine which can do many jobs at a time. This definition gives a complete meaning of a computer. And now we will move towards its father, means who is called the father of the computer? Yes, father of the computer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. So, my dear students, do you know why he is considered as the father of the computer? Yes, most of you think that he must have made the computer. He must have invented the computer. But this is not the correct statement. Charles Babbage is the father of the computer, but he has not invented it. He has not invented it. First of all, I will tell you about the Charles Babbage. He was actually a professor. As a profession, he was professor at Cambridge University, London, okay? And there, he wanted to make a machine by which the people can calculate without any error. Yes. So he tried to make something, and he made some designs. And designs of 2 engines he made. One analytical engine and second one difference engine. Yes, he made the design of 2 engines, analytical engine and difference engine. Yes, but when he wanted to give it a physical shape, he had made designs, but he could not find the material required to give it a physical shape. So what he did, he only made the designs of 2 engines. And why he is called now father if he has not give it a physical shape? Yes, because those 2 designs are still using for building a computer. For making a computer, these 2 designs are playing a very important role, because without those engines, not a single computer has been invented. Even today, in the 5th generation computer, when the people are trying to invent the 5th generation computer, the more featureable computer, but still those 2 engines are used. That's why Charles Babbage is still considered as the father of the computer, because he has given the base of the computer by which all other scientists are able to make computer. Yes. So this was the history of the computer, why Charles Babbage is considered as the father of the computer. Do you know, my dear students, the computer, you know now what is the definition of the computer, what is the full form of computer, and who is the father of the computer. Now, beyond this, I will tell you about the parts of the computer. Computer has many parts. Like it has input devices with it, storage devices with it, or output devices with it. But still, there are only 4 main parts of a computer, without which we cannot do any work on the computer. Like the main important parts of the computer are keyboard, mouse, and CPU and the desktop. Yes, keyboard, mouse, CPU and desktop. These are the 4 main parts of the computer. So there are many more parts of the computer. Like we have input devices, joystick, scanner, and microphone, and output devices like printer, plotter, speaker, and we have many more devices. But these are the 4 main devices of the computer, which are always connected to our computer. And you all have seen the keyboard, you all have seen mouse, you all have seen computer in your lab. So, dear students, in next class, I will tell you more about these parts of the computer. Thank you.